So, we're at the track. As you can see, it's quite a fun track. We drive it multiple times a week. But right there, there's a bit more land. And we want to use it for a bit more driving. We want to build a track on the other side too. We want to connect those two tracks with a jump over the ditch. This ditch. We already made a way across with this wooden beam, but yeah, we thought it would be quite fun to jump it with the pit bikes. So today I'm gonna make a jump from wood to jump this ditch behind me, and that way we can cross it and drive on the other side with the pit bikes. We need two things for the jump. We need wood and we need the tools. As you can see behind me, I already have the tools. The only thing I need is wood, and I know the place where I can get some. Right here I have the wood for the frame. I just need a metal sheet or plate, something that I can use to drive on. Here's the final piece of wood, and I think we can start on the construction. Before I start building, I will draw a little picture of the jump, so I have an idea how to build it. The plan: measuring tool, pencil, a straight edge, a drill, an impact wrench and screws. I have there the wooden plate and the framing wood. And if I walk over here, I have a saw table. Let's start construction, and after that, of course, we're gonna test it on the track. So I just cut this wooden beam to length to fit under the wooden plate, but I didn't think about the fact that if I put the plate under an angle, then the wooden beam wouldn't be able to reach the end. So I made it around 15 centimeters too long, or what's that in inches? Like 6 inches too long. As you can see, the ramp is getting shape. I'm gonna screw on those two beams, and then I'll make some reinforcements. And after that, I'm gonna take it to the track. product. It's actually quite steep, but I hope we'll be okay. As you can see, it's strong. I hope it will hold, because if it doesn't, we'll have a problem. But as you can see, it's really steep. So we're heading to the track. I'm a bit nervous, but I hope I'll be alright.
This is some army training. What is your plan with this?
Crashing. So we're installing the jump. Jen is digging a small ditch where the front of the jump can fall into. So it will be a little less of an angle. But we'll see what happens. So we're a few days later. I have parts for the pit bike. As you just saw, it wasn't running very well. And I thought it was the spark plug, so I ordered a new one. Let's see if it helps. So the new one. Let's see if it does any better. So guys, it's almost a week later and I really want to jump this ditch with the jump, but we have a slight problem. The track is very wet at the moment, so I can't get up to speed, and if I land, there's a high probability I'll lose traction and crash pretty bad. So the problem is, multiple times past week and this week I thought the track was gonna dry up, but every time it got close to a dry track there was another heavy rainfall. It's the Netherlands, there's a lot of rain right here. So that's the bad news. I won't be able to jump the ditch. You did just see the shots of me jumping the jump when we were testing it, and that was the last good day for the track. So I'll just walk a bit on the track so I can show you. Yeah, this part is quite drivable. It's still wet, but I can get traction. But when you get in corners and low parts of the track, as you can see, a lot of water. So yeah, I won't be able to jump the ditch, and if I decide to wait longer with jumping the ditch, then this video will take another week or maybe even 2 weeks before I can upload it. And I am working on some new videos at the moment, and I want this one out of the way. So I'm sorry for that. For the ones that are still watching and that speak English, I have another sad announcement. I'll be making videos in Dutch from now on, just to learn the process of video making, and in that way my friends can also join me in my videos. I hope in the future I'll turn back to English, because personally I like English a bit more. There are more people that I can reach, not just for money, but it would be fun to share the experience for everything we do with you guys. So I'll start making Dutch videos. I probably will make subtitles for them, so you can watch the videos in English, but it won't be as fun because I'll be speaking Dutch and everyone else in the videos will be speaking Dutch. But for the Dutch speaking viewers, that's a good thing, because we'll be able to put a lot more feeling in the videos, a lot more of the, how do I call it, just it would be a bit more personal for me, because I will be easier, it will be easier for me to find the words to describe the feeling, or to describe everything, and you'll be able to get to know my friends, because they are not that good in English and it's quite hard for them to speak English.